Hello. He said, wait a minute, you took the peanuts away. Hey, that's not nice.
Giving you some attitude.
Pick the corn out and throw it on the ground. Oh. Oh, you're going to be a little bastard.
There's plenty to share, boys.
Yeah, but this one doesn't like to share, obviously.
Oh, here he comes.
Yeah, this bird seed I bought has pretty finely chopped up sunflower seeds, as well as the corn and stuff. So. Oh, you're just chomping that corn out of there.
Taking it out.
You're going to be so heavy you won't be able to fly away.
Yeah.
You're kind of like a blue cardinal, you know?
Yeah. We got the proper blue jays back east, of course.
Yeah, well, we had them at the coast and we had them in Alberta. There's a family here the other day.
They're even prettier than the Stellars, I think.
Well, yeah.
Here comes the crow.
The lighter blue and
He's thinking about it.
a lot easier to film. These guys are so dark.
Yeah.
So I told Butch they must be the speaker of the house, so to speak. Speaker of the house. Right, Crow?
They must have got their fill because suddenly they're not coming in so much.
Oh no, there's one sitting right up here.
You are a very pretty bird. Very, very big.
Well, you did do two.
Digging or just whatever, anything and everything.
Okay, you got one in your beak. What the hell are you doing?
You gotta love Wells. There's a toy run going on. So I heard like 100 bikes driving to town. They went out to Barkerville. Here's just a couple of those bikes. Pretty cool.
Amazing.
Here's the partner.
Out in the baseball diamond. That's pretty cool. Big cranes.
So I want to get close to this bird, but I don't want to push it further away from its partner. So I'm going to flank around so that it has the option to go back. That's the kind way to be a nuisance.
Gave it the option to go back to the other one. That's what it did. I was able to get close enough to watch it pick up and fly though. There they both go. Cool. Oh, what a pretty bird, eh?
Mm-hmm.
He's like, got any food? Yeah, you know that word. Are you one of the birds that hangs out at Norma's?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.